What's up, y'all? Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a quick DIY using this cork board and some Dollar Tree washi tape. Yes. And I am going to make a calendar. It's time for me to get more organized in my life, and I thought this was a nice place to start. So let's get started, guys. Okay, the first thing I did, as you see, I just added the stripes horizontally on the board, guys. I did not use a ruler. I just freestyled it with my eyes. So they probably a little off or whatever, but it works for me. And I really like the way it turned out. And you already know, like, washi tape is not the stickiest, but if it comes up, just lay it down or add some extra adhesive to it or what have you. But for now, it's doing what it's supposed to do. So we're going to move to the next step, guys. Okay, guys, the next step is to either have adhesive letters. I'm going to use this as a temporary solution for now. And then these, adhesive label holders. I got both of these from Dollar Tree. And this I'm going to use so I can switch out if I want to add numbers later or whatever. I have options. So this is what I'm going to use permanently, and this is just a temporary solution because later on I do want to create my month so I don't have to keep wasting stickers, each and every month. But I just wanted for presentation wise to give you to show you how my calendar organization board's gonna look. So let me get to sticking. Okay, there you have it, guys. I completed my board. Now, I was going to do a full, all the days of the month or whatever. I was like, since each month have different days, the amount of days, I should say, I just did it a weekly calendar instead. And I think this will work best for me because I know what needs to be accomplished that week. And I got enough room to add little different things, so on and so forth. So now I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see the different letters. The words is what I meant to say. And so for the different days of the week, I use this pen that you could also it's those is it a paint pen? No, metallic marker that you can also get from the dollar store, guys. Dollar Tree. It ain't coming in. The metallic marker. And that's what I use on the letters, the days of the week. And it worked out perfectly for me. And that's all that I've added to the board. Now, when I actually use the board, which you see, I'm not going to start until March, I'll give y'all an update of what other little tools I use. But those little adhesive labels, sticker things, they came in handy because if I no longer want the days of the week, I can switch it out to anything that's not a permanent fixture. And I like the idea of that. I like that everything is, you can change it just to fit your need if your need so happen to change. And of course, I can add other embellishments as well to bring in that cute factor a little bit more. But for now, until I actually add my events on the board, I want to keep it kind of plain. So that's why I didn't go overboard with embellishments. So that's my finished product, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday.